Good evening, everybody. It's Steve at the car wash. We're gonna wash the car. Got the new tunnel lights, LED lights up. I'm gonna reset the car wash so I can wash my car. Okay, here we go. I put the lights up today in the tunnel. So I got them in from Amazon this week, and here we go. I'm gonna walk to the car. We're gonna wash the car.
Move right.
Sorry about that.
Thank you.
We're gonna give it a wash. We're gonna give it the old ceramic surge. It's $15 ceramic surge here at the car wash.
Welcome to make a purchase.
And we already paid, so we are gonna get in the car and give it a go. And I got a green light right here. So this is what it's like at night at the car wash. So I'm going to give everybody a bird's eye view, and we're going to wash the car and see what happens. See how this new lighting system works I put up. So we're going to pull in and see how it goes. I ordered it last week. Okay, here we go. Let's see what happens. We got soap. I'm going to turn the camera a little bit so we get a better view. That looks pretty good. Looks good. This will probably increase the profits here at night, being that this is 24/7. And we will see how it works. I'm in my little Mazda CX-3, so yeah, I do like this. So it does give it a nice lighting show here. This is the undercarriage wash going on right now, and then the rocker blaster all the way around the car. This is the Oasis XP car wash system, made in Ohio, and it's a little over a year old. Year and about 3 months. We had it put in April, the end of April of 2021, right after the pandemic hit. That looks pretty cool. Does a good job for a rinse. Now we will get the DuraShield ceramic sealer, clear coat sealer, I'm sorry. Okay, it's looking good. That rinsed off, and now we will get the ceramic sealer wax. It's the new stuff that they came out with a couple, 2 or 3 years ago that we have here, and we also use it in our bays. We have it in our bays where we used to have the trifoam wax come out. We changed it over to the ceramic sealer made by Rust-Oleum, and we were the first ones to do it that way in the car wash industry that I am aware of. This is a rinse. We'll get another pass of rinse, and then it'll go to spot free, which is the last thing we get. Yeah, it looks pretty good. It cleans the car real good. I like the touch-free car wash because there's no brushes touching the paint. There's nothing to scratch your vehicle, and if you keep up washing your car, it does a good job. Keeps it clean. Okay, so that's the spot-free rinse, and now we're gonna get 60 seconds of drying time, which the blowers are just gonna start up, so it'll get a little noisy. So I'm gonna pull out of here and watch the water bead off the car. So we get 60 seconds of dry time. Okay, we're gonna pull out. We're gonna park the car, and we are going to take a look at the car. This is what the car wash looks at night. How it looks at night here, and we're proud of what we do. So we're gonna get out and take a look. We have customers here cleaning their cars, of course. So this is what you get for 15 bucks. The ultimate wash at Bay Wash, and I think the car looks pretty good. So I'm going to end the video, and we're going to call it an evening. Thank you for watching, everybody, and any comments or questions, please let me know. We do use good products here, and does a good job. So again, thank you for watching this video, and have a great night.